Apparently, Beyonce can turn anything into a news story, including a sneeze. That's right, the Queen sneezed during a concert Tuesday night, and the internet is relieved to learn she's human. Concert goers at the 45,000-seat stadium yelled "bless you" after her performance of Daddy Lessons at Citi Field. And while B didn't acknowledge the sneeze, the Twitterverse certainly did. What a week Beyonce's having! A sneeze and the Fashion Icon Award in the same week? Beyonce and Jay-Z attended the 2016 CFDA Fashion Awards Monday, and guess who else was there? Rachel Roy! Dun dun dun.
Better call Becky with the good hair. You better call Becky with the good hair.
If you're new to the internet, conspiracy theorists think Becky with the good hair from Beyonce's album Lemonade could be about Rachel Roy. Either way, Beyonce kept it classy and was all smiles alongside her hubby before accepting her award.